Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 26th February 2025. The Income Tax Department is set to crack down on individuals and businesses that have failed to deduct and deposit TDS or TCS. Approximately 40,000 taxpayers from financial year 22-23 and financial year 23-24 are under scrutiny. This drive aims to penalize repeat offenders and correct significant discrepancies in tax deductions. The Central Board of Direct Taxes has prepared a 16-point plan to identify TDS defaults. Separately, the Data Analytics team has prepared an exhaustive list of such taxpayers for scrutiny. The Reserve Bank of India has decreased capital requirements for banks to boost liquidity and credit flow, specifically enhancing lending to NBFCs and MFIs. Risk weights on such loans were reduced, expected to lower borrowing costs and improve margins for institutions. This move aims to encourage prudent growth and address the slowdown in bank credit to NBFCs. The reduction in risk weights will free up about Rs 40,000 crore capital, which would mean banks can lend up to Rs 4 lakh crore to AAA-rated companies. In November 2023, to dissuade banks from lending to NBFCs and microfinancers, RBI had raised the risk weight from 100% to 125%. The action was to restrict unsecured loans, which had risen 25% in October 2023 over the previous year. Bloom Hotels is planning to raise Rs 400 crore from private equity investors like General Atlantic and Worley Invest. The company aims to expand into emerging Tier 2 and 3 markets while maintaining a 40 to 50% annual growth rate. An internal round of Rs 200 crore is in progress, with possible external funding of Rs 100 to Rs 200 crore under consideration. SEBI has issued a consultation paper on expanding definition of qualified institutional buyers under SEBI ICDR Regulations 2018. SEBI proposes to include accredited investors in QIB's definition for the limited purpose of investments in angel funds. Further, it is also proposed to remove the limit of a maximum of 200 investors in an investment of angel fund. The public can submit their comments latest by 14th March 2025 via online web-based form. Hyderabad-based Control S data centers inaugurated a Rs 4,000 crore data center park in Chennai and said it is considering an initial public offering to fund its capex and expansion plans. The Chennai data center park includes two facilities, DC1 and DC2, with a total capacity of 72 megawatts. The project is expected to generate 500 direct and 9,000 indirect jobs. Fast-moving consumer goods majors such as Godrej Consumer, Britannia, and ITC are rolling out stock-ready vans to streamline stock replenishment in rural markets, significantly reducing turnaround times for retailers. The initiative is gaining momentum at a time when the demand in rural markets is seen to be improving. As a result, companies are now actively expanding their footprint in these regions. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.